Greetings everyone, hope you all are having a great day. In today's lesson we are going to study about adjectives and degrees of adjectives specifically. So what are basically degrees of adjectives? We have 3 degrees of adjectives just to show if any noun is being compared with any other noun or not. So the first degree is positive degree, in which there is no comparison at all. Comparative degree is actually the comparison between two objects, two nouns, and superlative degree is comparison between more than two nouns. As I have said, that positive degree is used when there is no comparison. We have examples like she is a wise woman, she is a beautiful girl, the bag lying on the floor is heavy. As there is no comparison in these sentences, so we have used positive degree. Next, we have comparative degree, in which we say that when we are going to compare two nouns, two persons, two places, two objects, then we use comparative degree. For example, in the first sentence, we are comparing two sisters. She is wiser than her sister. She is more beautiful than her friend. The bag lying on the floor is heavier than the one lying on the table. So the words like than, than are used in comparative degree, and the words like er and the words ending with er are used in comparative degree, as well as the words with the more are used to make comparative degree. Next, we have superlative degree, in which we can say that this is a comparison between more than two nouns. For example, she is the wisest among all her siblings. She is one of the most beautiful among all girls. Of all the bags, the bag lying on the floor is the heaviest. So the word like the, article the is used with the superlative degree, the wisest, the most beautiful, and the heaviest. And the words ending with est are used in superlative degree, or the words with most are used in superlative degree. So we have this quiz in which you have to choose which kind of degree will be used in the blank space depending upon the sentence. Obviously, either it is a positive degree, a comparative degree, or a superlative degree. So these are the 7 sentences that you have to solve, and the winner who will get more than 5 answers correct will be considered a winner, and obviously will be given a certificate at the end of vacation. So these are the answers, you can tally them. Thank you.